Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago. Welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I'm back in my own Nonna's kitchen today in Brooklyn, New York. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And what are you going to make today?
I melanzane alla Fungitidd.
Oh, what is that in Italian?
In italiano this eggplant, melanzane alla Fungitidd.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're making this special kind of eggplant dish that is popular in Puglia, and some people call it alla fungitello, alla fungitidd. It's kind of like a mushroom style eggplant. So we're going to flavor it with a few different things. You can either fry it. In this case, we're going to bake it, and we're going to bake it on the halved eggplant. So I'm really excited about it.
It's very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How do we do this?
You gotta cut in the top of here, and you cut F.
Okay. So I'm gonna cut.
No. Wait. Not too much, like that.
Oh, I was cutting too much off, and she didn't like it.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Because we don't gotta waste anything, right?
Yeah, sure. You don't want to lost anything because you got to cook eggplant.
And this, this is good in half?
Okay. F.
Okay.
Cut
this one too?
Same thing.
Same thing. Is this okay? Is this enough?
It's enough.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know. You're being very picky today. We're going to slice this one in half too.
That's all, yeah.
That's all. Okay.
First you gotta put an onion in the bottom.
Okay, so we have
this one take away because you gotta cut each one.
So we're gonna put some onions at the
Put
bottom,
onion.
about half of them. Okay, so now you want me to make the cuts? You want to show me first?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta make all of this one. See?
So you want to crisscross the slices on the flesh. And this is so everything we put on top goes inside nice.
If you gotta do like that, see?
Okay, good. You want me to do?
Allora si fa, cerchi di pian piano.
So you don't want to go all the way down in here.
Yeah, it's okay.
Like you don't want to go through the eggplant.
No, che la devi tagliare da sotto.
Yeah.
Basta che la metti abbastanza, un po' sotto.
And you want to make like 1/2-inch little squares.
I gotta put oil now.
Okay. And a little bit of salt on each one.
I gotta put garlic now.
Okay. I'm going to put a clove of garlic on each eggplant. And she wants it cut up piccolo piccolo, right?
Yeah, sure. E pouco destra, mas café and the case.
Okay. And then with our finger, we're going to push it inside.
Yeah.
Just going to take it and try and get a little bit of garlic in all the cuts. Okay, so now we're going to take our cherry tomatoes that we have quartered. And these, she says, have to go inside all the cuts. So you're really going to infuse the entire eggplant with a lot of flavor. Nonna, negli anni prima, quando le persone non potevano mangiare la carne, questa era come una bistecca, no?
Yeah, sure. Prima era così.
You don't have meat all the time before. Possiamo pure mettere un po' sotto, no?
Si possono mettere pure un po' sotto. Ma è meglio che ci mettiamo sopra.
Okay. So I'm going to take about a handful of these and sprinkle them at the bottom. So this is kind of optional, but she likes to do it because it kind of creates a broth for the eggplant to cook in, because we're going to pour water in the bottom at the end. Okay, so now we're going to take our parsley.
Yeah. Ok, dividilo in 4 qua, che mo lo dividiamo.
And we're going to chop it up a little bit and put it inside. Doesn't have to be, it could be coarsely chopped. Okay. Okay, and now we need some cheese, right, Nonna?
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta put cheese now.
Nothing like fresh grated cheese. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two cucchiare in the end.
Yep. Okay, how much cheese? I gotta put a lot or a little bit?
Allora. Yeah.
A lot of?
All in the top of the eggplant.
Okay.
Yeah, mettiamo giù tutto.
So this is like a parmigiano. This is a cheese that we bring from Italy called Rodeds. So it's kind of a French cheese, but it's similar to a parmigiano cheese. You can use anything though. You can use parmigiano or pecorino for this.
Mettiamo giù tutto, ciccone da usare.
I'm putting it.
Yeah.
She's worried I might not put enough cheese, and then what will we do?
This make il sapore, tutto quello che sta dentro, hai capito?
Okay, I'm putting it. Don't worry.
Yeah.
What, are you afraid I'm not going to put enough?
No.
Okay. You like cheese?
Oh, I love cheese, yeah.
Why?
Because I love cheese. It's good.
Just finding all the spots, all the naked spots. Where?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, really? Right there?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sure. I love when she says sure. Like, what are you, stupid?
But oh, yeah.
This spot right here? Okay. Promise to cover. Okay. Over there. Okay. We got it.
One solo.
Okay.
Mo
So now
questi sopra.
we're gonna add some onions just on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
E poi ci mettiamo un bicchiere di
Water. I got
Gemma
water.
una tanza di uglio sotto un altro poco di olio.
So I'm just adding a little oil to the bottom, and then she's gonna drizzle the eggplant with a little bit more oil. Ooh.
Okay, it's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah, sure, you don't have no more.
Okay, so now we're gonna add some water to the bottom of the pan. And this is gonna allow the eggplant to cook.
Yeah, maybe you need two because they gotta cook that. Pour another glass of the water. Okay.
Okay, so these are gonna go into a 425-degree oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. You just wanna make sure that the flesh of the eggplant at the thickest part is fork tender. So we will see you when they're ready to be tasted.
Okay, it's ready now.
Ooh,
they look beautiful.
They do look beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
You ready to taste?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that's a beautiful eggplant. Wow, that is a nice eggplant. We're gonna taste it? You ready to cut?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna cut a nice piece for you.
Just
Just a little.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Okay, we both got a taste. Okay. Assaggiamo.
Very good.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Very good.
Oh my God. You taste everything. You taste the garlic, you taste the cheese, you taste the tomatoes, the onion.
You taste everything.
You taste everything. So good. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
I love these. This is like, totally, takes me back to my childhood when we didn't eat meat on Fridays. This is kind of like a poor man's steak. Una bistecca dei poveri, no?
I know.
Very good.
This, they do good for you. They're not bad you.
Thank you for teaching me how to make this, Nonna. I love you.
Thank you, my baby. I love you too.
Mwah. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Okay, bye, everybody.
And what about all the people there?
Bye-bye. I love everybody.
Ciao.
Ciao, seguitemi.